program. I believe that she's got some chronic PTSD,
right.
And she also has some traumatic brain injury. She's not stable. For the last few weeks, every time I've been down here, she's been having that patio blinds open, just staring out the window, looking at people.
Yeah, that's who I was kind of standing over there kind of watching for a second, because I was like,
I'm glad you guys were smart and
came
around like you did.
Oh yeah. Well, I was gonna kind of come through that breezeway right there, but I saw you and I was like, well, because they said 2 and she was on the balcony, so I was like, well, maybe it's upstairs. But
she's downstairs.
All right. Okay. I mean, we've got plenty of options and avenues we can explore. Obviously, we'll try and get her some help, whatever, but, we can do cases, all that and everything else, but we're going to try and make contact with her.
Yeah.
What's her name?
Her name is Crystal Ragland.
Crystal? Okay. If you don't mind, just kind of hang out until everything's cool or whatever, and we'll call you up and I understand.
By and she did the same thing to me, pointed to
She's the ones with the blinds open. Right there, yeah, right there, that keeps kind of doing whatever. He said that she did have a handgun and pointed it at him. It's supposed to be kind of chronic PTSD and some issues like that. So was it just a handgun, Cam?
That's all I saw.
Okay.
I don't know what else she's got in there, man.
Not yet. Alright, hold here in case she comes out that way. I'm going to try and knock and make contact right here. Hey Crystal, Huntsville Police, can we talk to you real quick?
Hey, let me see your hands. Get your hands up in the air.
I don't got no weapon.
Alright, step out.
Why you put your weapon in me?
Hey, get your hands up. Get your hands up. Get your hands up.
Shoot my fucking
Get your hands up. Show us your other hand.
Get your hands up.
111 shots fired, officer involved.
Charlie 111,
1058 code 3. Alright, pull her out. We're going to move up. Do not reach for the gun or I'll shoot you again.
Where's it, Austin?
3224 Westheimer Drive. Hold cover on her. Bring your hands back. Bring your hands back. Hands back. Hands back. Have somebody bring a med kit.
That's all I saw. I don't know what else she's got in there, man.
You put this 10-3.
Not yet. Alright. I'm going to hold here in case she comes out that way. I'm going to try and knock and make contact right here.
Alright.
Hey Crystal, Huntsville Police, can we talk to you real quick?
Hey, let me see your hands. Get your hands up in the air.
I don't got no weapon.
Alright, step out for
Why
me.
you pointing your weapon at me?
Hey, get your hands up. Get your hands up. Get your hands up.
Shoot my fucking
Get your hands up.
Show us your other hand.
Get your hands up.
111 shots
Fired, officer involved. Charlie 111, 425, 158.
Keep your hands where I can see them.
258, code 3.
Alright. We're going to move up. Do not reach for the gun or I'll shoot you again.
Where's it, Austin? 3224 Westheimer Drive.
Hold cover on.
Alright.
Bring your hands back. Bring your hands back. Hands back. Hands back. Have somebody bring
a med kit.
Get your hands up. Get your hands up.
Shoot my fucking ass.
Hands up! Show us your other hand.
Get your hands up.
Shoot my fucking ass.
Get your hands up.
Show us your other hand.
Get your